For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a sip and paint business is a fantastic way to combine creativity, social interaction, and entrepreneurship. These businesses typically offer customers a relaxed environment where they can enjoy drinks while guided through painting of fun artwork. If you want to start such a business but are looking to minimize costs and maximize efficiency, leveraging free AI tools can be a game changer. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of starting your sip and paint business using free AI tools, including suggestions for AI prompts to make your work easier and more professional. Step 1. Conduct market research and validate your idea. Before diving in, it's crucial to understand your local market and potential customers. Use ChatGPT to help generate research questions and analyze the competition in your area. You can ask ChatGPT, "Help me create a market research questionnaire for a sip and paint business targeting adults aged 21 to 45. Then use Google Forms, free tool, to collect responses. You can also ask ChatGPT to analyze online reviews of competitors to identify what customers like and dislike. For example, prompt, summarize the common complaints and praises in online reviews of sip and paint studios in your city. Step 2. Create a business plan. A well-structured business plan is essential for outlining your vision, target audience, pricing, marketing strategies, and financial projections. Use ChatGPT to draft your business plan by prompting. Create a detailed business plan outline for a sip and paint studio focusing on group events and weekend sessions. AI tools like ChatGPT can generate a first draft quickly, which you can refine to fit your specific goals. If you want help with financial modeling, Google Sheets offers free templates you can customize to forecast your expenses and revenues. Step 3. Develop your brand identity. Your brand is how customers will recognize and relate to your business. Use AI-powered design tools like Canva, free version available, to create a logo, social media graphics, and business cards. Canva offers templates and drag-and-drop features that make design easy even without experience. For brainstorming your brand name, ask ChatGPT. Suggest creative and catchy names for a sip and paint business that appeals to young professionals. You can then test these names with your potential customers. Step 4. Find the right location or setup for your business. Decide whether you want a physical studio, rent event spaces, or start mobile by hosting events at bars or private parties. Use ChatGPT to explore pros and cons. Compare advantages and disadvantages of running a sip and paint business in a fixed location versus mobile events. If you are renting a physical space, tools like Google Maps and real estate websites can help locate affordable commercial venues. Step 5. Plan your classes and art projects. Your painting sessions need to be fun, approachable, and well-guided. Use AI tools for creative inspiration. For example, you can prompt ChatGPT, generate a list of 10 easy-to-follow painting project ideas for beginner sip and paint sessions. Once you pick themes, use AI image generation tools like DALL, E2, free trial available on OpenAI, or Stable Diffusion, free open source, to create sample artwork images that can be shown as examples during sessions. Step 6. Source supplies and set pricing. List the painting supplies needed: canvases, brushes, paints, easels, aprons, and disposable items for drinks. ChatGPT can help create a complete inventory list by prompting. Generate a detailed supplies checklist for a sip and paint business hosting 15 people per session. For pricing strategy, ask ChatGPT. Suggest competitive pricing models for sip and paint sessions in a mid-sized city with options for group discounts and private parties. Step 7. Build your website and online booking system. A professional online presence is essential. Use free website builders like Wix or WordPress.com that offer templates specifically for event-based businesses. To create website content, prompt ChatGPT. Write homepage and About Us section text for a friendly and creative sip and paint business targeting adults who enjoy social art events. For online booking, use free scheduling tools like Calendly or Square Appointments, which you can integrate into your website to let customers easily reserve spots. Step 8. Create a marketing plan and social media strategy. To attract your first customers, you need a solid marketing plan. Ask ChatGPT. Develop a 3-month marketing plan for a new sip and paint business, including social media posts, email campaigns, and local event partnerships. Use free AI tools like Canva to design eye-catching social media posts. For writing social media captions, prompt ChatGPT. Write engaging Instagram captions for sip and paint event promotions, including hashtags. Consider creating video content showing snippets of your sessions. Tools like InVideo, free tier, can help you create short promotional videos using templates. Step 9. Manage customer communications and feedback. After launching, maintaining excellent communication is vital. Use ChatGPT to draft automated email templates for booking confirmations, reminders, and thank you messages. For example, write a friendly and professional email confirming a sip and paint session booking. To gather feedback, create simple surveys with Google Forms and analyze results using AI summarization tools. Prompt ChatGPT. Summarize feedback from 20 customer survey responses to identify improvement areas. Step 10. Scale and diversify your offerings. Once your business stabilizes, explore ways to expand. You could offer themed events, corporate team building, kids sessions, or holiday specials. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas. Suggest innovative event ideas to grow a sip and paint business and attract different customer groups. For social media content calendar planning, prompt, create a 6-month content calendar with event themes and promotional ideas for a sip and paint studio. Conclusion. Starting a sip and paint business using free AI tools can save you time, reduce costs, and improve your planning and marketing efforts. From market research and business planning to branding, marketing, and customer management, AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Google Forms, and free scheduling apps offer practical assistance every step of the way. Embrace these technologies to create a vibrant and profitable sip and paint business that brings art and joy to your community. With creativity, dedication, and smart AI-powered strategies, your business can flourish and become a beloved local experience. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.